Howdy, 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 Acellus Junior Scientist. I'm so glad to see you. Do you know why I'm here today? Can you guess I'm here because you're here? I'm here because nothing makes me happier than talking science with you. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. How does fur keep animals warm? Well, non-human mammals fur and we can say that we could say we could say that some animals have a fine hair on their skin. For example, we're not considered hairy creatures, but we do have hair on our arms, and we have hair in our face. We have hair on our legs, but we're not totally. So we're going to concentrate today more on those animals that are totally covered like bears and dolphins and cats. Not the animals that have fine thin here, like elephants or rhinos we're gonna talk about, like animals that have two coats. Now, how does fur keep animals warm? Just like I said, furry animals have two coats. They have on undercoat, the coat of hair that's closer to their skin. That's very much like my hair. It's wolf. My hair is a type of wool, and that wool helps them regulate temperature. That will helps them repel water. It creates a layer of dry air between the undercoat. The thicker coat, the woolly coat, and the finer, thin, softer coat. Okay? So just imagine that I will put a wig of very straight here on top of my hair. Not to cover my hair, but just sitting right on top. That's what it looks like. That's what furry animals have now. It keeps them warm by like I said, the inner coat regulates 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 temperature. The inner coat helps them to disperse disperse extra heat, and it also creates a layer of air between the duck, two different coats that can keep them warm. Super keeps animals warm by protecting them from too much water, protecting them from too much cold air by insulation. Insulation. Warm beer either, but also being able to get rid of excess heat to maintain a stable temperature all around for a creature's body. Isn't that something? Okay, my Acellus junior scientist, let's apply what we've learned to animals in the game show. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. In this group of animals, which animal fur has fur? Would it be contestant number one, the elephant? What would be a contestant two, the hippo? Oh, would it be contestant number three, the great white shark? Or will it be contestant number four, the dress? You got it. Contestant number four, odd giraffe has Let's try that one again with another group of contestants. Are you ready? Here are our next group of contestants. We have contestants number one, that sheet contestant number two, their line. Contestant number three, the out, the gate or contestant number four, the mayor. Contestant number five, the chimpanzee. Now, in this group of contestants, can you identify the animal that does not have fur? 10 seconds think. Tick, 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 tick. You got it. Mr. Alligator has no fur. Now, I think after all this practice, you guys could do this. Mr. Alligator has no fur. Now, I think after all this practice, you guys could do this without me. So, see you next time.